Well, thanks. I generally prefer to do this in the privacy of my solo operation. And so this is the audacity of a near real-time first draft summary. But a few thoughts. I mean, I think this has been a very brave conference in candidly confronting some very complicated and profound challenges, because I think we're stuck in this interregnum between different modes of scholarship. We're moving from scholarship in which the media has been one of scarcity to one of abundance, and so the challenges become quite different about how to manage that abundance versus scarcity. Different warranting structures for what's valuable, what's credible, what's truth, and new and different tools for research and scholarship. So while many of these are technical, legal, and institutional issues, in some ways at bottom they're social and cultural issues. And I think the decisive issues are going to be in negotiating new sorts of social practices and institutional architectures for managing them. For me, I was listening closely, and sort of three unresolved cross-cutting questions appeared to me. One is, who are the primary agents of change for stimulating collaborative research in the academy, and what strategies should they use? How can fledgling projects and ideas in collaborative research be supported, scaled, and sustained? And how do we imagine new social roles and identities, and what design principles should guide us? And in thinking that through, two things occurred to me. One is, in some ways, the DNA of the academy helps us answer those. It's just we need to see how the academy is being recontextualized in a different context. And second, I do a lot of work studying the commons, and I think of certain basic principles that are present in the design of different common structures. I think of people like political scientist Elinor Ostrom, who won the Nobel Prize for Economics by studying, well, what are the design principles for successful commonses? Or people like Yochai Benkler, who has written extensively about the online world in a theoretical way, how they're governed. Because essentially we need some taxonomy and governance structures for understanding these things. But then I think we also need to recognize that this is, after all, about entirely new genres of knowledge that are being created, but we just don't know the character of the social and institutional containers for them. So it's only natural that we'd be disoriented and confused, as I think many of us, including myself, often are. But I've been mightily illuminated by the quality of this conversation, and I hope my summary can help depict fairly the different sides and complexities of the whole conference. So thank you.